This is my Halloween channel trailer. And this was made almost entirely with FlexClip. FlexClip is a web-based video making software ideal for both beginners and professionals, with which creators can generate innovative, high-quality videos, slideshows, ads, and clips for any type of platform like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. The website offers over 1000 pre-built templates, saving a lot of time and effort for individual creators. A vast media library of over 4 million royalty-free stock assets offer users premium royalty-free music and high-quality photos and videos. Some of the more versatile features offered include easy trimming, adding animated text, color grading, voice recording, screen recording, video exporting facilities, and many more. It offers a 2-in-1 mode for editing and creating videos in both simple storyboard and professional timeline mode. The storyboard tool is easier, while the timeline tool is more flexible for editing the audio, text, and all the elements of the video. What sets FlexClip apart from any other web-based video editing software is the option of creating your own template and saving it for further use, as well as uploading your own special fonts in case you need something else than what the library has to offer. FlexClip runs completely on the cloud and can be accessed via browser, and all the work is done online. The software adopts browser-native processing technology to speed up the entire process and ensure a proper security and privacy. With a paid plan, you can store your videos online with a cloud-based storage, or you can download them to your computer. You can also share videos created in FlexClip by using links. The software falls in the category of semi-professional video editors with advanced features but an intuitive interface. The interface is pretty easy to use and is clearly optimized for beginners or people who just need to crank out videos fast. The editing tools are easy to get and appear in obvious places on the screen, so it's pretty hard to get lost. When it comes to pricing, FlexClip comes with 4 plans billed monthly or annually. There's the free plan with a 480p resolution and 1 minute maximum export, 1 stock video and audio per project, maximum 12 projects per month, and 3 background removal credits. Then comes the paid plans, which are basic for $5.99, plus for $9.99, and business for $19.99. I'm not gonna go through every single one of them and list every specification. There is a compare plans grid here, you can take a look at it if you will. But what I do want to point out is that if you take a look at the business plan, which is the most expensive plan, $19.99, and think about all the royalty-free stock footage, pictures, and audio you get, like I said earlier, over 4 million assets, this alone, in my opinion, is worth the money. If you dealt with videos for your channel, then you know how important the stock material is. And finding the right stuff for free is not always easy. So in my opinion, this price is more than reasonable just if you think about the royalty-free stock assets alone. Then add all the perks remaining for the plan, like save up to 200 templates, 500 background removal credits, upload custom fonts, 1 terabyte of video hosting space, 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, video export up to 30 minutes, and all the editing stuff that you can do in the software. And yeah, there's no brainer that this is a great deal. With the FlexClip video editing program, you don't need to spend hours learning how to use it. Even if you never used any other video editing tools before, you can easily control it fully. Since the tool is based on web, you need to open the website by going to flexclip.com, or easier, click on the link in the description of this video for a 20% discount of your purchase. After logging into FlexClip, there are 2 paths that you can choose. One is create by template and another one is start from scratch. The first is to modify the template directly, which is easier, and the latter is a complete blank video editing platform. In case you're a beginner at video editing, or like I said earlier, you want to make something fast, then start with create by template. Otherwise, start from scratch. After entering Create by Template, you can see the thousands of templates located into diverse categories such as business, promo and sales, slideshow, intro, outro, coronavirus, YouTube, Facebook, etc. You can choose one that fits your project, your idea, and then you can start customizing it. Initially, I wanted to make something like an intro for YouTube, but because Halloween is around the corner, I think a Halloween channel trailer is a little bit more appropriate. After entering the editing tool page, you only need to master a few key points. On the left side, you have template, media, text, overlays, elements, background, music, watermark, and so on. Here you can change whatever you want according to your needs. The website allows you to write text on your video, whether it's static or animated text. You can also add music through the audio desk within the site, but because it's a template, usually this comes with music on their own. So you can also just simply change the music according to your needs. And if you wish, you can also add your logo or text to the video clip and control it during the presentation. One particular thing that I like, something that I haven't seen on any web-based video editor that I've tested, is the option of pairing your phone with the account and adding files from your phone without the need of a cable or SD card for transfer. With a simple scan with the camera, you can open the website on your phone and select the media you wish to transfer. You can transfer media like photos and videos that you already have saved on your phone, or you can record something directly and transfer it in your project. The bottom is the storyboard of the video editor, or timeline. Here you can adjust the clips, cutting, trimming, adding transitions, and so on. For maximum control, you can right-click on any clip individually and select timeline. This way you can edit every clip individually. After customizing the layouts of the original video with text and pictures, you can preview it immediately, and then you can output the video after confirming. If you are on a free plan, then you can export it at maximum 480p. Anything else above that, then you have to have a paid plan, as I mentioned in the pricing details above. Besides, you can choose to export the video as GIF or GIF. I still don't know how this is correct. So you can export it as a GIF file and customize its resolutions and frames per second. So basically, whether if you're a beginner or a professional, FlexClip is the type of video editor you need. Simple, powerful, and increasingly complete, it is the type of program that lets you demonstrate your skills thanks to its vast set of tools, filters, and elements. It is a semi-professional video editor ideal for enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, or businesses who want to edit their own videos, their own ads. So yeah, you can use all the tools you need to produce professional looking results at a low price, even for free. Don't hesitate any longer and head over to FlexClip from the link in the description, like I said, for 20% discount of your purchase. Cheers!